You had to do some more combinations and permutations in your homework. We had to do 4 through 12 even since we did 3 through 13 odds. This is just plugging and chugging in your calculator. All right, 12 factorial, you're going to go under the math menu. And you're going to go over, it's going to be the fourth choice, looks like an exclamation point, and you're going to get a huge number, 4, 7, 9, 0, 0, 1, 6, 0, 0. All right, please do not do 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 individually, because odds are you're going to accidentally hit a button or accidentally not hit a button, and it's not going to look nice. Now for number 6, you can put this in your calculator, but if we think about it, 9 factorial is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 8 factorial is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And what's really nice about all of this is that all of this stuff is going to cancel. So you actually don't even have to put this in your calculator. You just need to recognize that everything's going to cancel and you're just going to be left with 9. For number 8, 6p6. Alright, this is the same thing as 6 factorial. Anytime you have a permutation and you permute everything in it, or you can put it in your calculator and you will get 720. Okay, now we're on to number 10. Number 10 is 6p5. Okay, that is not the same thing as 6 factorial, so go ahead and put this in your calculator and you should get 720 in this case. Kind of a fluke. And then last but not least, number 12. Number 12 is a combination, not a permutation. So we've got 4c3. So 4, go back under math, c3, and you should get 4. Okay, now I shall erase. Because we had to do 27 through 28, so that's the second line of these word arrangement problems. So for 27, I'm rearranging everything in the word randomly. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters, and I'm using all 8 of them. So that's going to be 8p8. Alright, it's a permutation because I want different arrangements. And if I look, I don't think there are any repeats in the word randomly, so this is just going to be 8p8, which is going to be 40,320. Now going on to number 28, we have the word remember, which definitely has some repeats in it, but the word remember has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 letters, and I'm taking a permutation of all 10. But if I look, I'll start with the R's. I've got 1, 2 R's, so that means I need a 2 factorial in my denominator. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 E's, so I need a 4 factorial in my denominator. And then I've got 1, 2 M's, so I need another 2 factorial in my denominator. And I think I got them all. So we're going to put this in our calculator, 10p10 divided by, now if you want to just put this on your calculator right off the bat, that's fine. Make sure you put all these factorials in parentheses because you are dividing by all of them. So 2 factorial, oops, 10p10, parentheses, divide by 2 factorial times 4 factorial times another 2 factorial. Hey, okay, there we go. I should get 37,800. Woo! 29, we're doing the word statistics. That has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 letters in it. So this is going to be another 10p10. But there are repeats, so we need to divide. I've got 1, 2, 3 S's, so that's a 3 factorial. And I've got 1, 2, 3 T's, so that's another 3 factorial. And then I've got 1, 2 I's, so that's a 2 factorial. And then all I'm left with is A and C, so that's good. So I'm going to do 10p10 just like I did for the last problem, 10p10. And then that's going to be divided by, and then I'm going to have 3 factorial times 3 factorial times 2 factorial, which you should get 50,400. And then last but certainly not least, the best word, mathematics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11p11. And then there are repeats in the word mathematics. We've got 1, 2 m's. And then I've got 1, 2 a's. And then I've got 1, 2 T's, and then the H's don't repeat, the E's don't repeat, the I's don't repeat, the C's don't repeat, and the S's don't repeat. So 11p11, that's a big number, divided by, and then we've got 2 factorial, which you should get 4989600. Whew! Okay. Moving on to the next part, you got to do 46, 47, and 48. So looking at 46, Eli has homework assignments for 5 subjects, but decides to complete 4 of them today and complete the 5th one before class tomorrow. In how many different orders can he choose 4 of the 5 assignments to complete today? Now you got to be careful. They use the word choose, so you might think combination. But since the order matters, we want different orders, this is actually a permutation. So this is going to be 5p4, which you can just put in your calculator and you will get 120. Number 47, it says that there are 12 boys and 13 girls assigned to a class. And how many ways can 2 boys and 3 girls be selected to transfer to a different class? All right, if I want to move you, it doesn't matter if I pick person A first or second, it just matters that I'm picking them. So this is a combination because the order doesn't matter. So out of the 12 boys that I have, I want to just pick 2 of them. And out of the 13 girls that I have, I just want to pick 3 of them. So we are going to do 12 choose 2. And that's going to give us 66. And then I'm going to do 13 choose 3, and that's going to give me 286. And since I want both of these to happen at the same time, I'm going to multiply them. That's the counting principle. So 66 times 286 gives me 18,876. And last but not least for this, we have number 48. In how many different ways can the letters of the word circle be arranged if the first and last letter must be consonants? So not A, E, I, O, and U. All right? So out of the word circle, for my first place, if I need a consonant, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 options. Okay, and then whatever my last letter is going to be, it also has to be a consonant. Well, if I used a consonant for the first one and I had 4, that means I only have 3 options left for that consonant. And then how many letters am I going to have left? Well, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 letters left. So next I'm going to do 4p4. So that's going to be 4 times 3 times 4p4. Oops. Which is going to give us 288. Okay? Okay. And then sum and product of the roots, which we talked about. Please, please, please do not go through the entire process of finding the roots and then multiplying them or adding them. All right, remember, product has a C in it, so the product of the roots is C over A. And then for sum, that's negative B over A. All right, C over A, negative B over A. So for number 3, my product is going to be my C, which is 1, over my A, which is 1, so it's just going to be 1. And my sum is going to be negative B, so negative 1 over 1, which is negative 1. For number 4, my product is going to be C over A, so 5 over 1, which is 5. My sum is going to be negative B over A, so negative 4 over 1, which is negative 4. For number 5, product is going to be C over A, so negative 2 over 2, which is negative 1. And my sum is going to be negative B over A, which is going to become a positive 3 over 2. For number 6, my product is going to be C over A, so negative 10 over 5, which is negative 2. And my sum is going to be negative B over A, so negative 2 over 5, and then just leave it. For number 7, my product is C over A, so 4 over 3. My sum is going to be negative B over A, so that's a positive 6 over 3, which simplifies to 2. And then for 8, my product is going to be C over A, which is going to be 1 over negative 1, which is negative 1. And my sum is going to be negative B, so negative 3 over A, which is negative 1, and that simplifies to positive 3. That is all the work that you need to show for those. And we're done.